and Miss Mary Avisado. Let's give them a round of applause.
So sick of this lonely air, seems such a waste. So much that I need to say, so much to get out. I'm waiting patiently, no time is moving slow. I am a vacancy, and I wanted you to know that you're the one designed. And make it to me. Make it to me. You're the one designed for me. A distant stranger, I will complete. I know. And make it to me. You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down. You reach at me even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm touching on, babe. Now I know what I have found. If you were close enough, I'm gonna lock in your love, babe. If you were close enough, could I lock in your love? Now I got you in my space, I won't let go of you. Ain't got you shackled in my